It's Sunday. You know what that means. New deals. We're going into CVS. Hey, so I just left CVS. I had some issues today with checkout. I typically like to do self-checkout, and I do notice that I have more problems with it when I do that. Coupons don't come off. Sometimes I have issues with extra bucks, and that's exactly what happened today. My CoverGirl coupon, which I rarely ever use a paper coupon, but last week I had bought a newspaper just to see if things had changed and if I could get any better coupons that way. I never get my money's worth, so that's why I don't do them. But I did have a CoverGirl coupon left over that I tried to use at self-checkout today, and I had a face product that was eligible, but the coupon kept saying it wasn't. And then I had a coupon for toothpaste that was the $7 off of 2. That did not come off. My extra bucks did not get distributed, so I'm really disappointed today in CVS. They didn't have their tags up, which isn't really out of the norm for my CVS, but it makes it a little bit harder when your internet doesn't work in there to make sure that you're getting the deals that you're there to get. I always like to triple check my deals, make sure I'm getting the right thing. But I did end up leaving with 4 tubes of toothpaste, and I will post those deals.